Animals, in tune with surroundings. In this lesson, adaptations and habitat. Terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, aerial animals, arboreal animals, adaptation for food, adaptation for protection. Just like plants, animals are also found everywhere. They adjust to the surroundings to survive. Many animals like dinosaurs which lived on Earth millions of years ago are no longer seen. Due to a sudden change in climate, the dinosaurs died as they were not able to adjust to their new environment. They have now become extinct. Adaptations and habitat. Animals are able to adjust to the changing environment. This is called adaptation. Living things which are able to adapt themselves to their surroundings survive, while those which do not adapt die. The process of adaptation happens over hundreds and thousands of years. The natural home where an animal lives is called its habitat. We find animals both on land and in water. Animals are grouped according to the place where they live. Terrestrial animals. Animals which live on land are called terrestrial animals. Examples are horses, lions, elephants, deer and camels. They move about on legs. They breathe through the lungs. These animals have highly developed sense organs and a nervous system which enable them to feel and observe the changes in their surroundings. Animals such as snakes do not have legs. They have scales which help them crawl. Animals like polar bears, yaks and snow leopards live in cold regions. They have thick fur on their bodies to protect them from cold. They have a thick layer of fat under the skin to keep them warm. This fat is used to get energy in winter. Animals like camels which live in hot deserts have thick skin to reduce the loss of water from the body. They have padded feet which help them to walk on hot sand without sinking into it. Their long eyelashes keep sand out of their eyes and thick eyebrows shield their eyes from the desert sun. They store water in the stomach which helps them live without water for almost 3 months. Camels store fat in the hump. This fat is used to get energy. Some animals like lizards, snakes and squirrels become inactive in winter. They sleep for several months in winters to protect themselves from cold. This is called hibernation. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, snails, turtles, crocodiles and whales are some aquatic animals. Aquatic animals move about with the help of fins or special limbs. The fish has a streamlined body which helps it to cut through water and swim fast. Ducks have webbed feet which help them to paddle and swim. Dolphins and turtles have flippers which act like paddles and push back water while swimming. Fish and crabs breathe with the help of gills. Whales and dolphins breathe with the help of lungs. They have to keep coming to the surface of the water to inhale air. Amphibians. Animals that can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Frogs, toads, newts, salamanders are some amphibians. In water, they breathe through their moist skin. When on land, they breathe through their lungs. They have feet which help them to move both on land and in water. Aerial animals. Animals, such as birds and insects, which can fly and hence spend most of their life in air are called aerial animals. These animals have wings and hollow bones which make their body light in weight. The streamlined shape of their body is such that they can easily cut through air. Arboreal animals. Animals which spend most of their time living on trees are called arboreal animals. Examples are monkeys, flying squirrels, tree lizards and chameleons. The monkey has a long muscular tail which helps it swing from one branch to another. These animals have strong claws to grip branches and broad hip girdles to support their body while climbing. Adaptation for food. Animals eat plants or flesh of other animals. They are classified into 4 groups according to the type of food they eat. Herbivores. Animals like cows, horses, elephants and giraffes which eat only plants are called herbivores. Herbivores have long and strong legs to travel long distances in search of food. They have sharp cutting teeth in the front to cut grass and leaves. The strong grinding teeth at the back help them to chew food. Carnivores. Animals like lions, tigers, leopards and wolves are flesh-eating animals. They have sharp teeth and claws which help in tearing the flesh. Flesh-eating birds like eagles and vultures have sharp and strong claws to catch their prey and to tear flesh. Omnivores. Animals like dogs, bears and crows which eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Parasites. The animal which feeds and lives on or inside other living animals is called the parasite. The animal on which the parasite lives is called the host. Examples of parasites are lice, leeches, tapeworms, hookworms and bugs. These animals have tubes, suckers, to suck blood from their host. Adaptation for protection. Animals have to protect themselves from their enemies in order to live long enough to reproduce. Animals mostly rest or sleep at safe hiding places. Fish and frogs move very fast, and thus escape from their enemies. Some animals like hippopotamuses, elephants and whales are too big to be eaten by other animals. Some animals like chameleons and Arctic foxes change the color of their skin to blend with the surroundings. This is called camouflage. Zebras, tigers, leopards, snakes, hyenas, etc. have stripes or spots on their bodies which help them to mix with their surroundings and avoid detection by other animals. Stick insects look like sticks of trees and hence are difficult to spot. Same is the case with the leaf insect. The polar bear, snow rabbit and Arctic fox have a white coat, covering of fur, in winter. In summer, their coat becomes brown. The color of their coat merges with the surroundings in both the seasons, making it difficult to spot them.